Okay, so that is the validator, as you can see on the screen, and that is the UI, and that is the processor, and that is the notifier. So all four of them are running, and if I press any key or pretend UI is going to send message to the order topic, which is going to be received by the validator, and that's going to push it to the process queue, which is going to be picked up by the processor, and that's going to push the message to the notifying queue, which is going to be picked up by the notifier. So let's press the key. So it instantly sent about 10 messages, which is received by the validator, and as soon as that published the message, we have received that in the processor. And as you can see, processor has a 5-second delay, so it will take a fair bit of time to process. Okay, so looks like we processed the first message here, as you can see, ID 10, and we have sent messages from ID 1 all the way through ID 10. So we should be able to track each messages that comes through to the end of the line. Okay, I've skipped forward a little bit because it was taking a while to complete. So if you see, our 10th message was complete, and it was actually created at 13:39, but it was completed at 13:40 and 17 seconds. So it took almost a minute to complete that order. And if I see the first message, which is that one, and if that message was created at 13:39, 15 seconds, and so yeah, that took approximately 15 seconds to complete. It's only designed to process one message at a time, so that's why there is a huge delay between the orders getting placed and the order getting processed. So as we mentioned, let's add multiple instances of various things, and then we'll see how fast things progress. So the last, let's only look at the last order because that depicts the true picture. So the last order, it took approximately 1 minute to complete. So let's add about 5 processes and see where it leads us. Okay, so if you see the first message, the last message was created at 13:43, and then it was completed at almost 7 seconds and few milliseconds. So which is good. So approximately it should take 6.5 seconds. But I guess half a second was delayed due to there's only one instance of validator running, and there's only one instance of notifier running, so it could be attributed to that. So that's how distributing computing helps you. So you can even add lots and lots more of processor. So the only key thing is you need to have a powerful validator or any other service that feeds data into it. So if you even can bulk upload like millions of messages, then you can have lots and lots of processors running to process them basically in parallel, as long as your downstream system can handle it.